Hello guys, how are you? Long time no see. In this video I want to show you how it look my slimes after 2 years. I will public again some video, so stay here. Love you. Okay, so here I have paints. These are new. Okay, food coloring. From so this I'll take it. Anti-stress toys here. Another anti-stress. Some clay. This is clay. This is clay. This is Play-Doh. This is clay. Clay. These all are clay and anti-stress. Here clay. Clay. Okay. So take another. I'll here more lots of clay. Let's see what I have here. Let's take it. These are some this is so beautiful. I must cut it. From glitter, fishbowl, okay, let's take another. Some makeup. Let's take this. What I have here. Here there are some more slimes. Slime. Glow in the dark foam. Slime from here I have sand. This is slime. So much slimes here. This is made by me. So much are store-bought slime, but this I know is made by me. I want to see how it looks. Slimes. Okay, let's see. Some bag. bags, decoration. Here there are a lot of paints. Let's see. Textile paint. Here paint, tempera paint. Here there are a lot of paints. Some are used. This paints. So beautiful color of tempera. Okay. Here I have balloons. So much balloons. Oh, so much balloons and so beautiful. Here another balloons. And here balloons again. So much balloons. Okay. Here foam. Here foam. Here some makeup. Makeups. Some makeups. A lot of makeup. Okay. So much clay. Johnson baby oil. These are clay. Here I have makeup again, this is used, other makeup. Okay, these are so much makeup. Okay, here I have anti-stress balloons. Okay, this is all. I will take it to the table and I will show you how it looks. Some slimes. Okay. So I will start with my slime. This is made by me. Let's see. Didn't have some. It's not smelling. It's not okay. After 2 years, it's not dry, but it's easy to get. No, it's not okay. I must throw it. Okay, this is bad. This is okay, but no, it's not okay. I will throw this. Oh, this is not okay. I'm not smelling, but it's not okay. I have here something to show you. Yes, I have. This is not activated. I don't know if I will activate this. Okay, this. super. This is super. This and this is okay. No. Looks but is not. No. Now this is new. Let's see after 2 years. Yes, this is okay. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. Okay. Okay. Let's take some. Hey, okay. 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 Some clay. This is dry. These are dry. My clay are dry. Dry. This. I want to see this. This is okay. So beautiful. This is super. I'll take here. Dried. This is not so dried. Almost. But this is almost dry. I think it's okay. No, it's not okay. This is okay. No, it's not okay. This, no, watch. It's not smell, but it's not okay. I will throw it. This. Okay, so I want to see this. No, it's dried. Also dried. This is not dry. Okay, so that's it all. I hope you liked this video. I will see you in a new video, so if you like it, please like, comment and subscribe. Please support me, I need it. And I will see you in a new video, so bye!